Hi, I'm Kenny Erickson from Landmark Implement in Minden, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the RowMax Conversion Kit for the old 600 series Cornhead model year 2012 on up. One of the differences from the 700 series Cornhead to the model year 2012 and later is these plastic guides. They can get debris and warp behind them. What the RowMax chain kit does is change it over to a steel guide. Model year 2012 and earlier Cornheads have a cast iron, which is heavier, but you cannot update model year 2012 and earlier to the 700 series RowMax. This is a new style guide that we will be converting the 600 series model year 2012 and after to. Is more of a steel, lighter weight chain guide. With the stock roll, the new style stock rolls also with the RowMax, they are a hard face, harder material, and they do have a 30% longer life. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the RowMax kit for the model year 2012 600 series Cornheads to upgrade them to the 700 series style. John Deere is offering a promo from now until the end of August 2020 that you get $50 off the chain kit, $50 off each stock roll for a total of $150 per row back. And what that consists of here a little bit is your model year 2012 Cornheads has a plastic guide and some sprockets and this chain. And basically what we're going to do is convert that over, get rid of these plastic guides, and put on some steel guides. The new chain kit, it consists of 2 gathering chains, 2 sprockets, 2 rear sprockets for the drive, 2 front sprockets for the idlers, and the front part of the guide system. You will have to purchase the steel guide separate. It does not come with the chain kit, but the reason why we have to put the new guides on, there's 3 lugs on this chain that are spaced different than the rest, and they have to be in time. And these guides are how you put it in time with these notches. There's 3 notches on here. You have to line the lugs up on each chain. And then they're spaced separate on the other guide. Next we'll go over the stock rolls and the different choices we have for the RowMax kits. Start off here. These are an 8-bladed opposed stock roll. They will size stock greater than 12 inches when they go through the Cornhead. These have a 25% longer life than the originals. They are an 8-bladed opposed roll, so the blades will come together. Next we move, and they also use the least amount of horsepower. Next we'll move over to the 6-blade intermeshing stock roll. These also have a 25% longer life over the originals. They actually intertwine the blades, so it chops the stocks between a 6 and 12 inch stock after the Cornhead goes over it. And finally we have our new set of stock rolls, which are a 10-blade intermeshing stock roll. They actually have a 30% longer life, and they will size stocks 6 inches or less, depending on your operation and how you want to run. One thing to remember, whenever you change stock rolls, it's always a good idea to change out the nut and the washer on the end of them. More than likely they could be wore a little bit, but the nut has some locking compound in it, and we don't want them coming loose. And also, if you're changing from opposed to intermeshing, the trash knife underneath will also have to be replaced. One other thing to remember is you're going from the opposed to the intermeshing, each step you go up takes a greater amount of horsepower. So they kind of use this as a base, as the opposed, not using much horsepower. These are the next step. They'll take a little more, and there's the most amount of horsepower required to run the 10-blade. For any more questions on your RowMax chain guide kit or your stock roll kits, please contact your local Landmark Parts Department.